Video lectures, an ISR initiative by Shivana Sharma Memorial RV College. SSMRV College is one of the premier institutes run by the prestigious RV group of institutions. Has come up with a unique initiative to engage students at the time of this unforeseen medical emergency caused by corona outbreak. As a socially responsible institution, we would like to connect academically with students to make good the losses caused. I, Mrs. Bharti Rathod of Department of Computer Applications, has posted a video on the subject Unix shell programming and the topic is special filter commands. Please watch the video till the end and like, share with your peer groups and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Grep regular expression. Suppose user are required to search a file for pattern either to see the lines containing it or it has to be replaced with something else. Unix has special command called grep command which is used for handling search requirements. Grep command scans its input for pattern and displays lines containing the pattern, the line numbers or file names where pattern occurs. The name grep is taken from the first letters in global regular expression print. Global specifies that the entire file would be searched for specific pattern and displayed. Grep command searches for pattern in one or more file names or standard input. The first argument in a search pattern and remaining are considered as file names. Consider syntax of grep command. Grep options pattern and file name. When the given pattern is not found or not matched in the file, grep simply returns to the prompt. Consider table of options which is used with grep command. We have options -I ignores case, -V which does not displays lines matching expression, -N displays line number, -C displays frequency of number of occurrence, -L displays only the file names containing search string, -E expression multiple search pattern can be given with this option, -number displays number of lines on either side of the pattern. Let us consider examples on grep command. This is the output of command cat test.list. Here test.list is a file name. These are records of test.list file. Now we will use the command grep amit test.list. As per the syntax of grep command, grep pattern and followed by a file name. Here this command lists all the lines with the pattern amit from test.list. Let us have command with -I option. As we know, -I option is used for ignoring case for matching. This command performs a case insensitive search and finds all the lines with the pattern Rani, ignoring the case. Let us have grep command with -N option. -N option is used for displaying line numbers along with lines. In this example, output is the lines with containing the pattern Amit along with the line numbers. As per the records of test.list file, Amit appeared in the third row and 14th line. Let us have one more example. Grep command is used with -e option and also redirected to CS file. -v command does not display lines matching expression. That is, this command selects all the lines which do not contain the pattern CS in it and also redirects the output to file called CS. You can check the output. In the output, there is no records of computer science record, and also output is redirected to file called CS. Check the output of CS. Let us have grep command with -i option where pattern matching is omit from all list files. This command displays the names of all the files which contains the pattern omit. Grep command is used with the -c option where pattern matching is easy from all list files. Here number of occurrence of pattern matching EC is 611006 from cs.list, name.list, names.list, replace.list, student.list, test1.list and test.list respectively. Consider grep command with 3 from the test.list. There is no pattern matching, hence grep command returns to $prompt. Let us have grep command with -e option. This command selects all the lines with the patterns EC and CS from the given test.list. This -e option is used to give multiple search pattern. Basic regular expression. On the command prompt, when a user type a command like f star or star.list etc., the meaning of f star is expanded to all the file names which is beginning with the letter F. This is called as file globbing. Grep command uses an expression of different type to match a group of similar pattern. This uses elaborate set of meta characters. If any expression uses any character from meta character set, it is termed as regular expression. Consider table of meta character set. Overriding meaning of meta characters. It is possible that some of these special characters actually exist as a part of text. If a literal match has to be made for any of the meta characters, the special meaning of these meta characters must be turned off. This can be done in following ways. Escape the meta characters by using prefix like example. Suppose we have G star or opening square bracket, then use backward slash followed by G star or backward slash and open bracket. Use double quotes around the pattern to prevent most expansions. Single quotes are used to use the pattern as it is and meta characters lose their meaning. If multiple instructions are there, it can be given with -e command. Special filters. In this topic, we will learn more about two powerful commands that can bring a new level of flexibility and ease of our programming and general Unix work. They are sed command and awk command. Sed command is a text editor that works on full streams of text. AWK command is an output formatting language. Both of these commands work on existing text. SED command. SED command is a stream editor. SED is multi-purpose tool which combines the work of several filters. It is stream editor, which means it can take an input stream and make modification to that. It is just further development of old editor, which performs non-interactive operations on data stream. Syntax, SED, options, address action, file names. SED uses instructions to act on text in the file. These instructions combine two attributes. First one, an address for selecting line, specifies either a single line number or range of lines on which action can be performed. Second attribute is an action to be taken on the selected lines. It can be used for modifications like insert, display, delete or substitution. These actions can be referred to as commands. Multiple instructions to SED command using -e option with every command and -f by storing all the instructions. Addressing modes. Addressing in SED can be done in two ways: by one or two line numbers. The address specifies either one line number, which is called as line addressing, to select a group of lines, which is referred to as range addressing. Second way is by specifying a pattern enclosed in pair of slashes like pattern. This method of addressing is called as context addressing. Options used with SED command: -n used for suppressing the default output, -e used to give multiple instructions, -f take the script from script file and consisting of editing one per line. SED internal commands. There are 7 internal commands are there. Quit command. It selects the number of lines specified with Q command. Example, 3Q can be broken down to the address 3 and action Q. So it means print the first 3 lines and quit. P print command. By default, it selects both selected line as well as all lines. So the selected lines are displayed twice. This default behavior can be suppressed using the option -n. D delete command used to delete lines from file, that is, it selects those lines that does not contain the pattern. R command, that is read command. The contents of an input file can be read into the another specified file by using $R. The contents can be of the input file can be added at the end of the file. Write command used to write selected lines in another file. Insert, append and change or replace commands used to insert a new record, append a new record or change the existing record respectively. Substitute command used to replace one pattern with another. Let us see some examples on SED command. We have command SED 3Q followed by file name test.list. It displays first 3 lines and quit. Let us see one more command $SED 1,2p file name. Due to default behavior of P command, first and second lines are repeated twice. SED-n test.list prints only last line as $P indicates last line of given file. Let us have one more command. This command is used to print from first line to sixth line and do not print 7 lines to end. Here exclamatory symbol is used to negate any action. Let us have multiple instructions. We have 1, 2p, 5, p and $p. This command prints first and second lines, lines through 5 to 7 and last line. Examples on context addressing. Consider command std-n pattern match is EC from test.list file. Output will be displayed with pattern match EC only. Let us have pattern match civil. Records will be displayed with respect to civil only. The next command, we can use multiple addresses can be specified, but these are separated by comma. Here civil and mechanical are taken as two addresses and output will be displayed with civil and mechanical records. Examples of W command. This command will store first 5 lines of file list.list in the file called FLE1. std01d test.list. This is an example of D command, means deletes the record whose number is 01 from the file test.list. Let us have example on substitute command. Let us see first two lines of the file called test.list, where we are having ssmrv 0, ssmrv 0.9. Now by using substitute command, replace every occurrence of ssmrv with engg in the first two lines of test.list. Hence, first two lines of file ssmrv is replaced with engg. Let us see awk command. Awk command is named after its authors Aho, Weinberger, Kernighan. Hence, first three letters are taken AWK. AWK command features are: it operates at the field level and can easily access, transform and format individual fields in a line. It accepts extended regular expression for pattern matching. It has C-type programming constructs, variables and several built-in functions. AWK command syntax: AWK options, selection criteria, action, files. Where selection criteria is a form addressing filters, input and selects lines. Action is action to be performed on selected lines. It is enclosed in a pair of curly braces. The selection criteria and action constitutes an AWK program that is enclosed in a pair of single quotes. Simple AWK filtering: the action prints the selected lines. It is default action. If the selection criteria is missing, then action applies to all lines. If action is missing, the entire line is printed, either of two but not both optional. The "-f" option is used to specify the delimiter character used in the file. For pattern matching, it uses regular expression in the same way as std command. Consider records of file student.list where we have two Kannada students and two Sanskrit. This command will print where the pattern is Kannada is found. Splitting a line with fields. AWK command utilizes special variable $0 to indicate the entire line. It also identifies fields by $1, $2 and so on. As these parameters also have special meaning to the shell, single quoting an AWK program protects them from interpretation by the shell. For example, print $2, $6 prints second and sixth fields from the specified file. Field specifications are separated by commas. If they are not separated by commas, the fields are concatenated. Thank you for watching.